Hello beautiful viewers, I'm Daniel and you're welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to change your eyes network pre-stake, alright, or how to update your eyes network pre-stake, or simply how to reset it. Whatever way you understand this, but this video is basically going to be about you changing your eyes network pre-stake reset. Let's say you there was a time you did 5 years and you couldn't reduce it anymore because of the eyes network core team decision. Now is the time to do so because they have given us one more opportunity. They gave us an opportunity earlier and they said that was going to be the final, but this time around they give us one more opportunity to do this because there have been a lot of complaints. Some people say they stick for 5 years and they can't reduce it. They stick for 5 years and the staking percentage was 100% and they can't do anything about it. So this is just one more opportunity to right your wrong, all right, to fix what you have done. All right, so as you can see on my screen right now, there's an update. What you should do right now if you see this update is to click on please update. Just click on that blue button and of course it's going to redirect you to this very site right now because that's how Eyes Network works. It doesn't really redirect you to Play Store because there are some of us who use iOS device, which is Apple device. So there are usually two options there, which is the Google Play Store and the iOS device option, which is the APK. Android users can also use that. All right, it's for both Android and iOS users. Well, usually for Android users who can't get it on Google Play Store for some reasons, all right, for technicality reasons. So I actually use an Android device, so I'm going to go ahead and click on get it on Google Play Store, and automatically that would redirect us to Play Store, and I'm going to click on update right now. So my update will begin, and we're just going to give it a few moments. Now once this is done updating, what you're meant to do is to click on open. So I'm going to go ahead right now and click on that open button, and of course we will be redirected to our Eyes Network app. And as you can see right here, there's a new update and we are being asked to view change log. Now what is the change log? The change log is kind of a summary of all the past updates. By clicking on the change log, you get to see what changed or the new development in the Eyes Network app. So the moment you click on the change log, you're going to be redirected to this very page right now, and as you can see, it clearly reads change log. So we're going to scroll down right now, just scroll down a little, and you're going to see the very update, the most recent update at the top right here. Okay, so as you can see right now, this update reads February 1st 2024 pre-staking update. Now you can remove your pre-staking period and allocation, or you can update them to a lower value. We also fixed several bugs that we discovered recently. So this very update right here is the major update, and this is kind of a secondary update. They used the opportunity to also fix several bugs disturbing snowmen in the Eyes app. So we're going to head back to my Eyes app right now. I actually X'd out of that by mistake. That was why I had to use my browser, but by default it's going to open up in your Eyes app. Now if you X out by mistake, the way to visit the change log is to go to your browser and type the keyword eyes.io/change log. It is that simple. Just eyes.io/change log, and you'll be able to see the Eyes Network change log. Okay, so we're going to head back to our Eyes app right now, and there's a new update right now. As you can see, this app is updated. So how do we confirm we have updated this app? I want to click on this BNB Smart Chain address because I also want to show you something before I show you the prescription. So just click on that, and as you can see here, there is now a new update, and this update says MetaMask or Trust Wallet. All right, MetaMask Trust Wallet. Now we advise using a self-custodial wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Please ensure that you double check your wallet address to make sure you receive the distribution. I believe why the Eyes core team did this is because of the recent issue they had with OKEX exchange. All right, if you've been following with the community, you will know what I'm talking about. I don't want to go in details in order not to waste our time. So this is new updates right here. Now if to how do you access the staking page? It's simple. Just go ahead and click on this four dotted icon at the top right hand corner of my screen, and once you click on that, you click on staking. Okay, and automatically you'll be redirected to the staking page. And as you can see right now, we can now adjust our staking preset. As you can see right here, it says pre-stake your eyes for up to 5 years and increase your earning rates by up to 250%. Now this is, it's not compulsory actually, all right? This is just like an advice or something, so it's not compulsory. Okay, stake only what you can afford to bear. All right, I repeat, stake only what you can afford to bear. If you can afford to bear for 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, 5 years, then you do so. All right, do not go and stake because Mr. A did so on, or because Mr. B did so. For me, I staked for 4 years. All right, let me drag that back to 4 years, and I staked 90% for 4 years. Okay, that's what I stake, and I'm okay with that. All right, so stake only what you can afford to bear. All right, just time when you feel comfortable. Just think of when you feel comfortable receiving your eyes. All right, while you are adjusting the staking, your current earning rate right here, you get to see your current earning rate, and you also get to see how much you would earn for the duration you decide to set this for, and also the allocation, which is like the percentage. And then you come over here and click on this check mark right there. All right, just check this box right here, and then this would become visible. All right, let me just click on that so you see how it works. All right, as you can see right now, this will become visible, and then you click on pre-stake now, and that's it, you're good to go. Automatically your stake would take effect. All right, another way to access the staking page is to click on your miner button. All right, just click on your miner button right here, and then you click on the pre-stake bonus. Okay, the pre-stake bonus right here, this is actually clickable, and of course you'll be redirected to the staking page. Okay, the staking page will pop up. So this is it, guys. This is basically what you need to know about this new update. All right, this new update is just to give you an opportunity to make one more decision, or to have one more thought on what you need to stake for. So like I said, for me, I'm okay with what I staked, and I'm not changing that. But for you, for those of us, or for those of you who staked for 5 years and staked 100% for 5 years, this is the perfect opportunity to do this right now. And that's why I usually advise people to subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I drop updates like this, you won't miss out at all. So if you haven't done that, you want to do that right now. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Right after subscribing to the channel, make sure the notification bell is turned on, so that whenever I drop updates, you'll be one of the first to get notified. If you haven't joined ICE Network, if this interests you and you intend to join, make sure you use the invitation code DANPAT, DNPAT. I'll also leave that on the screen right now and in the description of this video. So this is the video I have for you today, guys. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. I remain your crypto guy, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe.